In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Elements tab. So right underneath the Projects folder tab, you'll be able to see the Elements icon. And over here we've got things like text, images, background images, icons, and emojis. So first of all, to add text, simply click on the Add Text button over here. And if you double click on the text, you can go through and change it, like so. And if you click away and then select it again, you can move it about on the canvas, okay? So you can position it centered. You can also use these align icons over here as well to quickly align it as you like. We've also got text presets. So if I delete this one over here, I'm gonna go grab this one over here, Merry Christmas, and drag it down over like so. And I can position that as I like on the canvas. And again, you can go through and adjust the colors and things like that, the text. You can also adjust the text font, make it as you like on the canvas area, okay? Over here, I've got background images on the images tab. So you can see we've got a whole bunch of really nice looking backgrounds, and these just help you to get a head start in creating your videos. So let's go through and maybe add something like this. I can drag it down to the bottom, might bring it down a little bit further so that I can add a layer over here. And I'm just gonna bring this up. And I'm also gonna adjust the opacity and bring it down a little bit so it's not so, it has a bit of contrast between the text and the actual background, okay? And over here, I've also got add shape. So I'm gonna add a shape and I'm gonna bring this down over like so, and I'm gonna position it just below the Christmas text. So just bring it down here, bring it across, and I'm gonna adjust the color and maybe make it something like green, or maybe red or something like that. Just kind of playing around with it. I'll make this text white, like so. And I got a nice shape. And also kind of hidden, but it's still there on the images tab. If you go to images, you'll see a drop down over here, and you can see we've got icons. So we've got a whole bunch of icons, a massive icon library of really nice looking icons that you can add to your videos. And you can also do a search. So let's say the keyword I'm going to use is bird, and we've got a little bird over here. So I can drag this little bird over here and resize it. Cute little bird, like so. And we've also got things like emojis, and these are great for social media, when you're creating those squares type videos, and to really get that social engagement with people on their timeline. So you can also go through and add a keyword, or you can just go and grab one. Let's go maybe get something like this guy, just drag him over here. You can position it as you like on your canvas, bring it down, maybe put him over here like that. And that's looking really good. And the cool thing about these, they're actually animated PNGs. So it's similar to a GIF, but it has a transparent background. And the reason why we created like this is so that you could, scale it up and make it as long as you like, and it'll go on a continual loop for your video, okay? So you can do that, and they just continually loop around, and that's why you see it on the canvas as well. It's just continually looping. And you can also go through and add static emojis. If you want a static one with a different type of style, you can go and grab one like that. Let's just grab this hand, position that where you like on your canvas, resize it, and position it on the timeline as well to make it just the way you want, okay? You can also do things like add fade in and fade out. So let's say I want to fade this text, I could just simply click on it, add a fade in, let's say 2 seconds, like so. And if I just restart that like so, I can click on the play and you can see it fades in like that. So that's just a quick overview of the left-hand Elements tab. And go through and check it out, begin creating things with it, and then go on to the next video and I'll show you more about how to create great videos inside of Create.